Today we're taking a look at Cardano's ADA Coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see ADA go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome back into Cardano's ADA Coin chart, guys. If you'd like to buy ADA or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. And as you can see, not too much has happened since we last took a look at Cardano, which was on about the 11th of April here, except the fact that our key point of support obviously did fail, unfortunately, and you can see that was sitting at $1.01. Furthermore, our 50-day moving average also failed and is now acting as a major point of resistance for us. But for the past week or so, since then, not too much has happened. In fact, it has been a bit of sideways trading action, as you can see here. We've not gone all the way down to our other support point over here at about 81 cents, but instead we have been consistently testing this 50-day moving average, currently sitting at a value of 97 cents the entire time. And the lowest we've gotten so far was on the 18th of April, and that was a value of 87 cents. Right now we're currently sitting at 94 cents. It looks like this big period of consolidation is hopefully coming to an end due to the fact that you can see that the volume has declined ever since. That is now a very small volume for today currently, and you can see over the past few days, well, since basically the 28th of March, the volume has been declining. So whilst yes, we are seeing a decrease in the value of ADA, we're not seeing dumps or anything of that sort of magnitude. So in that sense, it is looking a bit more positive. Let's take a look at a few more indicators. First and foremost, let's have a look at the RSI. Now the RSI is showing us we were certainly overbought, so the pullback, as we discussed in last video, was expected, and now we dropped all the way down to a value of where we're sitting currently at 44.22. This is a place now where we can have a bit of a turnaround, in my opinion. You can see the RSI is now crossing the yellow line here, so it's looking like things may be on the reverse. When I then check the MACD, I expect something similar to be occurring, and it certainly does appear to be the case. You can see the red period has certainly peaked probably around the 12th of April there and has been declining ever since. We're now about to see that 12-day EMA cross back above the 26-day EMA, which should for us cause a reversal in the value. Now I hope what we do see is that cross occurs prior to, of course, our 20-day moving average, currently sitting at $1.01, cross below our 50-day moving average sitting at 97 cents. Due to the fact that we've had, I suppose, quite a bit of price action now below that 50-day mark, that is going to make it hard for that not to occur unless we see a major increase in the value of ADA in a very short period of time. I do expect them to at least touch, but obviously with, of course, a pump as a result of the MACD crossing, we now have three things in our way that we need to get past. The 50-day moving average, which we can't get past at the moment, our horizontal point of support at $1.01, and of course our 20-day moving average, which is certainly sitting very close to that at the moment. The key here though is one thing I'd like to point out, that we have seen that this overall downtrend was obviously broken and we're still above that point. So it's certainly looking like within, I say, the next few months, we could establish a new nice medium-term uptrend along the board. What's my target for today's video? Well, certainly I think this $1.01 mark is on the cards. That is where our 20-day moving average is sitting, and it's looking like a cross of the MACD. If it is very confident in the way that it crosses, I suppose it crosses rather than doing a shallow cross, it is a major cross, we will see that $1.01 mark broken. That wraps up today's analysis on Cardano's ADA Coin, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments section below. Of course, if you did enjoy today's video, remember to leave a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.